Welcome. Bit of a bonus unboxing video today, and we're going to do a little demo of what I'm unboxing very shortly. But I was in a local DIY store called Homebase here in the UK, and I was looking for a hedge trimmer. And I stumbled across, I was about to buy a reasonable one, sort of electric coil cast jobby, nothing special, just middle of the road thing. But I really wanted a cordless one, but they're just too much money. And I stumbled across a brand called Ozito. This chap, really great value, including an 18 volt lithium ion battery, 2 amp hour, but that's not what I'm unboxing. That doesn't help us with car detailing or bike detailing. I asked the guy, look, how long does the 2 amp hour battery last and how much a spare battery is? And he said, actually, there's a deal on at the moment, and you all know I like a good kit. And I ended up buying this little charger and battery packs. There's a 4 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, and a fast charger in there as well. Now, while that's really cool, that isn't what I'm unboxing. That doesn't really help me with detailing either, although I get extra batteries for what I'm about to unbox. The really cool thing is, while we're in the display cabinet looking for that charging station that's on deal, at the moment it's half price. That's £54, about $60 or so. An incredible price for 2 batteries and a fast charger. There is a charger already in this trimmer, hedge trimmer, and it comes with a regular charger, so I can have 2 batteries charging and go out there in the garden hedge trimming. Wonderful. But right in the bottom of the cabinet, I spotted a device that I've been looking for, umming and ahhing on various searches on eBay and Amazon, you know, looking for a better way to dry cars and motorcycles once they've been detailed, getting into all the little nooks and crannies and stuff like that to dry it out. And I've seen a lot of people use little handheld blowers, electric plug-in ones. I don't really want to run a cord out all the way to the road along our driveway and plug in some sort of leaf blower or something like that. So I've been trying to research these little mini blowers, and I found, or spotted rather, while in Homebase, right in the bottom of the cupboard, a unit that comes without a battery. They call it a bare unit. It's a small handheld blower for £16, about $20, and it looks incredible. So we're going to unbox that today. So what did I spot? This Ozito 18 volt cordless blower inflator. Comes with a 5-year warranty as well, which is incredible. It's really compact, handheld device that takes any of those batteries that I've just bought, and it was £16 here in the UK, about $20 US. So we're going to do a review on it to see if it's any good at blowing out all water and stuff like that off the body of the car, but out of all the mirror gaps, and out of the calipers, out of the wheels, things like that. But let's get into it, unbox it now, and see what it comes with. There we go. Don't expect there to be much in there. So we've got all your specifications, operating instructions, how to use it as an inflator or as a blower. Great, that's that. Additional operating and safety instructions. Wow, looks like we need more. So that's really interesting. It's a rubberized nozzle. Really good, that. From a point of view of car cleaning, bike cleaning and detailing, this is good news. If it's a really sort of solid ABS plastic item, and you just gently, accidentally, when you're blow drying something, tap the paintwork or something, you could scratch or damage the paint. This will be a lot softer. It might mark it, a black mark or something, but that's a real unexpected bonus. Rather pleased with that. This is all the inflator adapters for the different air beds or bouncy castles you might have. They'd be useless. And here is the device itself. So as you can see, against the size of my hand, it's pretty compact. Without the battery, it's very light. Depending on what battery you put in, it's going to change the weight of it. The big 4 amp hour battery will be quite significant, I'm sure, but it's got an easy trigger. There's no lock to hold the the motor on, so you'll have to keep that held on all the time. Pretty good. Quite happy with that. Reasonable angle to sort of get out drying things, so we'll see how that goes. It's claimed to have a really powerful little motor, sort of 78 kilometers an hour airspeed, according to the box. I reckon that's going to do a good job, and with this this little rubberized nozzle for the exhaust, I think that's going to look fantastic. I think it's going to do a fantastic job, rather not look fantastic. It's going to do a great job and reduce the risk of damaging the paintwork if you accidentally knock against the body of the car or the bike. So yeah, pretty cool, really exciting. So that's what's in the box. Let's assemble the nozzle on there and just see what the whole thing looks like, and I'll get a battery out as well. Okay, so to get the nozzle on, there's little locating lugs inside here which will fit into the gap, and then you rotate them around to lock it on so it won't fly off at high speed. It's a bit of a tight fit, which is quite good. So once it's on and you rotate it back, it's not going anywhere. There it is, that's the complete device. That is really cool. Pretty impressed with that. Let's get a battery out of my little charging station pack. We'll unbox that as well, show you what's in there. We'll get something on charge and then we'll check it out. This is the matching battery pack and charging station set that you buy from the Ozito range. It matches all of the X-Power range or Exchange range of tools. So the big 4 amp hour battery is what I was looking for my hedge trimmer, so you can actually do some reasonable work in a garden and not keep running out and I guess another cup of tea, but with a little 2 amp hour one it'll just keep running out. So this is pretty useful, and happily while looking for this and seeing this I saw my little blower which I'm made up about. So let's get into this, open this up and see what we get. Nice simple packaging. Nothing over packaged, unlike Amazon, if you remember my previous video. So, neatly packed in here. Let's put it out, let's see what we've got. So there's your offer. Ozito X-Power Exchange, or Power Exchange, 4 amp hour, 18 volt lithium ion battery. Pretty chunky. We like that. Instructions. Exchange, Power Exchange, 2 amp hour. We like that too. That's quite neat. They've got little rubberized bases on them as well, so they don't stick around. That's pretty cool. And then the charging station. There you go. Pretty regular kind of device. So the batteries will slot on here, and we'll find out whether the batteries are good or not, or damaged, whether they're charging or fully charged. Yeah, no surprises. Looks slightly more advanced than the one that comes as part of the hedge trimmer pack. So that's really good. And this is a fast charger as well. So I would fully expect the little 2 amp hour batteries to do all I need at this stage for blowing out, you know, on detailing, blowing out all the mirrors and the calipers and the wheels and stuff like that. But if the little Ozito handheld cordless blower is good enough, I'll actually use it to blow dry the bodywork. As few or as little amount of contact, physical contact with the body of the car, the paint of the car, the better. So fingers crossed this will do a good job, and in that case I might need the bigger battery. Let's click a battery on and see what the weight of this device is like with a battery. So let's go with the worst case scenario, the 4 amp hour battery. They just slot in like any of these kind of batteries really. Nice and easy, that's it, done. Does protrude a little bit out the back, but you'd expect that. You got your release button here and the device just slides off, nice and easy. Being lithium ion, they've got some charge in them, it's pretty good. Let's turn it on. Well, put a box across the floor. I think that's going to do the job I want it to do. Difficult to tell until we actually just get out there and have a go at something. So I've got to wash the Jag XKR shortly, and the wife's rangy, so I'll use this and I won't feel so daft. The last time I used my old Stihl petrol leaf blower, which is this enormous sledgehammer to crack a nut kind of scenario, bloody noisy, sort of two-stroke sort of fuel and fumes everywhere. And you drop that on the car, or you knock the car with it, it's going to damage it. With this little Ozito power exchange device, it's very lightweight, and it's got this rubberized nozzle, which is going to minimize any chances of damaging the item you're trying to dry. Really looks great. And the 4 amp hour battery that comes with the extra kit, that's currently half price at the moment, that hasn't got as much of a weight penalty as I thought. So let's give it a go. But that's the unboxing. Hope you liked it. Very soon we're going to check it out. The Ozito Power Exchange handheld cordless blower. Hope you enjoy the unboxing video of the Ozito Power Exchange handheld cordless blower. Check out my next few videos. In a week or so's time we'll be actually testing it out to see how well it performs. Give it a fair and honest review. It's a good, cheap device, but it's got a 5-year warranty, so that it can't be rubbish. I've got high hopes for it. Fingers crossed. Subscribe to the channel for more car detailing, equipment reviews, and just watching me wash cars and stuff like that. Or if you're into your motorcycles, check out all the Z Runner videos as well on my channel. We've got some touring with our Z1000, tyre reviews, washing reviews, all that sort of stuff as well. So hit the bell to subscribe to get notified when we upload the next video. See you soon. Take care.